Pathogen to host. Capsules are made up of glycocalyx material. This increases their virulence. Phagocytosis will not occur due to the inability of adhesion, but with the help of antibodies, they can attach themselves to the capsule. This will allow phagocytes to attach to the antibodies and engulf the capsule. Here are 5 examples of bacteria and their diseases. These bacteria are able to form capsules. Cell wall. There are chemical substances of the bacteria cell wall that contribute to virulence. Streptococcus pyogenes produces M proteins that are heat resistant and acid resistant. This helps with no attachment to phagocytes, thus no phagocytosis. Neisseria, gonorrhoeae, has fimbriae and OPA, which is a protein on its outer membrane. They are used to attach the host cell, and the host cell takes in the bacterium. Mycobacterium tuberculosis has mycolic acid that aids in the resistance of digestion of phagocytes. Enzymes. Coagulase is an enzyme that coagulates fibrinogen in blood. They are produced by some staphylococci. Kinase is an enzyme that breaks down fibrin. Fibrin is used to isolate the infection. A specific type of kinase is known as fibrinolysin or streptokinase, and they are produced by Streptococcus pyogenes. Another type is staphylokinase, and they are produced by Staphylococcus aureus. Hyaluronidase is an enzyme that is produced by, for example, Streptococcus. They hydrolyze hyaluronic acid. Clostridia that produce this enzyme causes gas gangrene. Collagenase is an enzyme produced by several species of Clostridium. They break down collagen. As a defense of the host, IgA antibodies are produced. AGI protease is an enzyme that combats the IgA antibodies produced by the host by destroying them. Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Neisseria meningitis are bacteria that produce this enzyme. Antigenic variation. Antigenic variation is the alteration of the surface of the antigen. Neisseria gonorrhoeae has several copies of the OPA encoding gene that allows itself to have different antigens expressed over time. Influenza virus is another example. Host cell cytoskeleton. Actin, a protein that is a component of eukaryotic cytoskeleton, is used by some microbes to penetrate the host cell or move through and between host cells. Invasins are surface proteins produced by microbes that rearrange nearby actin filaments. This phenomenon is called membrane ruffling. The appearance is similar to a splash of a drop of liquid hitting a solid surface. Need more help? Click the link in my description box to get started with your microbiology study module.